Hi, my name is Keegan Niddle. I'm an assistant professor of exercise psychology here in the Faculty of Sport and Health Sciences. I'm going to tell you today about our Psychology of Physical Activity, Health, and Well-Being program. So, PsyAct is how we call the program, and it addresses three important questions. Firstly, how can we increase motivation and physical activity participation in the general public? How can we enhance sport and athletic performance in high-level athletes? And how can we support lifelong well-being and motivation? Those three questions guide our curriculum. And as such, the major field of our master's program is sport and exercise psychology. In the program, we cover theories of physical activity, health, and well-being, basic skills in counseling, interaction, and communication, behavior change techniques and intervention methods, and take you through the full process of designing, implementing, and evaluating theory-based interventions to improve physical activity, health, well-being, and performance. Our program is one of a kind in Finland. It's the only place to study sport and exercise psychology here. We offer students a personalized curriculum that allows you to blend research and practice, choosing elective credits that help you to further specialize based on your interests and where you want to be professionally at the end of the program. Our program also offers students the opportunity to gain practical experience through a practicum period, which is part of the studies. Students have completed these in sports facilities, in sports clubs, at municipalities, in educational settings, as well as in private companies. It gives a range of options to students to improve this practical side of their education. On the whole, our program, as I mentioned, offers a very good balance of theory, research, and practice. And we have an international study program with an international staff backing it up. We have a vibrant research community that includes practitioners and researchers. The program is 120 credits spread over 2 years, and there are opportunities to study abroad as part of the program in the second year. For information about tuition fees and scholarships, please visit the JYU website. As an overview of our curriculum, we have core studies to the PsyAct curriculum, research studies, and professional development studies. In the first year, we cover some basic topics in exercise psychology and sports psychology, as well as basic interaction skills. We have qualitative research methods, and then professional development modules as well. In the second semester, students follow courses in developing behavior change interventions, group dynamics, and self-regulation in sport. A chunk of research focused courses in quantitative research methods, thesis seminar, scientific writing, and theory of science and research ethics, and professional development pathway continues, as well as communication and multicultural projects. In the third year, there's much more space for taking elective credits. The main focus is on completing the thesis and completing the practicum work in the second year, as well as figuring out how to apply the skills you've learned to working life. As for the student profile within our program, we have 15 study places available per year. Many of our students have a background in general psychology or maybe in sport pedagogy, some from health or sports sciences, physical therapy, or nursing. But the one thing that unites them is a very strong interest in either sport or public health or both. Over the past 2 years, we've had a very balanced cohort of Finnish and international students, so it's a great place to meet new people and exchange information about other cultures. As for career opportunities from our program, in the public sector, one might find work as a behavior change counselor or developing public health programs, or maybe even in academic research or teaching. And in the private sector, our students have found work as health and well-being consultants, as sports psychology or sport and well-being performance enhancement coaches in professional sports teams. And really, there are many opportunities that are not listed here. It's up to you to decide where you want to go and how our program can help you get there. This has just been a very brief overview, but if you want a little bit more detail about exercise psychology and behavior change science or sports psychology, there's a couple of QR codes you can scan there to view some online videos about those topics. And if you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them. So please get in touch. And looking forward to seeing your applications.